Hello guys, in new mining for Telegram coin is series mining coin. This is our new coin. In this video, I will show you to mine two coins. Like you see, this is the homepage of the one. Also, there is another mining bot for new coin of Telegram. I will show you. Watch carefully the video. After starting the bot, you will get this platform like that. I already have collected 6,023,000 coin. This is if you want to send or receive coins from your friend. Here you earn by tapping. It's very simple. Here you swap your earning. Like you see, you put your Bitcoin address or Tether or BNB or Dogecoin or Tron. Like you see, also there is Litecoin. Like you see, I have $3.89 USDT. Like you see here, you put your address Tether and click in swap. It will be sent to your wallet immediately. Like you see, this is your mate friend. This is for Ambit friend. Here booster. You will get free robot for 24 hours. After that, you will. If you want to get robot that mine for you, you must buy it. There is many robot. This one, robot S, robot M, robot L. For every robot there is a price. If you choose robot S, like you see, it's inactive. Activation for from 1 to 24 USDT. Like you see here for 25 to 249 USDT, and this one for 215 until 2049 USDT. This is will unlock the robot and collect coins for you. Also, you can use auto clicker. Every time you click, it will collect coins here. Like you see, you can use auto clicker and make for 1 minute and let it collect coins for you like that. When you click, wait 1 second, it will collect like that non-stop for make between 1 second. Like you see, it will always collect for you like that. When you click and wait for 1 second, it will claim immediately. Like you see here, 1000 energy. If you click, wait, and 1 second, it will return to 1000. This is the trick. You make an auto clicker. Use an old phone and your Wi-Fi or your data to collect coins. You can buy a booster here. I immediately advise you to use XL. It's no. I advise you to use M and put for $13. Like you see, this is the first bot. If you want to earn money, like you see here, you can change your earned coins and withdraw immediately. Like you see, this is my earning. Now let's go to other bot. Watch carefully. The other bot is very slow. This is our bot. It's Roket. One rocket equal to 19 USDT. One rocket equal to 119 USDT. We click in open now. It's slow. Don't worry, the bot is slow. It's not for bot connection. The bot is already slow. For one rocket, it's equal to 119 USDT. Every day you collect 15,000 coin. Daily you collect 15,000 coin. Also you can buy a coin. If you want, you just wait because the bot is very slow. Like see, it make sometimes to connect. I advise to use this bot. Also for the first bot for abstract coin. This is Telegram mining coin. Like you see, I have 27,000 coin. Like you see, there is friends here. You can invite your friends. Here tasks. Also in the bot you will find tasks. You complete these tasks, you get this coin. Like you see, if we complete, go to channel. We just join. Check the task. We go to channel. We join. We click and check the task. We get 3 coins. We do this one. We connect to a channel. Like you see, I already have many channels in my account. Like we see, here is a booster. If you want to boost your rocket, one rocket it's equal to 19 USDT. One rocket, like you see, multi-click, it will collect for you. I don't have enough rocket. You must mine rocket here. Like you see, when you click rocket here, it will show you your balance and count a rocket. One rocket is equal to $19. I already started the bot after collecting 500,000 coin. You can swap to rocket and sell it. Like you see, this is the bot. If you close the bot, there is free roulette. We have 2 tickets, like you see. Like you see, we return to our menu. There is tasks, here tasks. You can do these tasks. It's page 1, there is page 2. Like you see, it's simple. You just visit some social media. We return to the menu. The bot is slow. I advise you to use this bot. Hotcoin already listed and in phase 2 dancing. Like we see, Airdrop 2, Roket 0, USDT 0, NFT 0. This is the balance. We go to our this is payout. Like we see, if you want to withdraw USDT or Roket, like you see, this is our second bot coin. Already it's very slow. You must understand that. This is our video today. Our link could be in the description of the first coin and the second coin, and also of all mining coin. In the link, join now, don't miss. Don't forget subscribe to my channel and share the video. See you another mining video.